Question number 63. The central core of Maitland concept is, and the options are these. So out of this, I already have made a video on the sin factor analysis. You can click on the I button to know more details about that. Now option C is posterior-anterior gliding. So it is basically a type of Maitland mobilization and it is not the central core of Maitland concept. So we are left with option A and option D. Now let's see from the Maitland book what the central core of Maitland concept is. In Maitland's book, it is mentioned that the approach to deal with the movement disorder should be patient oriented or patient centered. He also introduced the concept brick wall approach to correctly diagnose the patient's condition, which is also called the heart of the Maitland concept. It is actually a mode of thinking where there is a semi-permeable wall or semi-permeable brick wall, and in the two sides there are two interdependent components. One side there is theoretical component and on the other side there is clinical component. This concept considers the history, symptoms and signs given by the patients on one side and theoretical diagnosis on the other side. These helps to diagnose the patient's condition correctly. So here in this image you can see in the central core of Maitland concept there is the patient who is the expert, and understanding the patient complaint is the utmost important thing to finally diagnose or to correctly diagnose the patient's symptoms. Now you can check this in this book, page number 3. So the answer is option A, that is the central core of Maitland concept is to understand patient complaints.